Oh, hello there. I'm Captain Sam McCall and welcome to our station, Station 18, located here in Eagle Creek. Normally we have an open house on October 31st during Halloween, but unfortunately this year with the COVID pandemic, we're going to have to do this virtually. But why don't you come on inside? All right, well, welcome inside. Figure I'd give you guys a little bit of a tour. So as we go down here, since we do have people here all the time, we have bedrooms. And it's just like your bedroom. And so we have 3 beds because we have 3 people on shift. And if you notice, they're kept really clean because their moms always got after them as kids. So they do a good job doing that. And if we keep walking down the hallway here, you're going to find out that we have a living room with a TV and recliners. And it's just like your living room at home. And then we also have a kitchen because again, we're here all the time. So there's Firefighter Smith. He's making coffee.
Hello.
It's definitely
lifeblood for the station, so we can actually do crazy calls at night and in the morning.
That's right. So thanks for making that, Firefighter Smith. All right, now that we just checked out the bedrooms, kitchen, and living room, let's head out here in the bay and we'll check out our fitness equipment. Because as you know, being a firefighter, we gotta stay super fit so we can do our jobs. Well, follow me. Oh, hi there, A.O. Savage. How are you doing this morning, sir?
I'm doing good. I don't know if you heard it. I did almost 1,000.
You did 1,000 curls? Oh, you're looking strong. All right, so the other cool thing about what's in our bay is that we have 3 different pieces of apparatus here to serve your community. So first off, we're going to talk about right there is a brush rig. So that little pickup is actually used for brush fires and wildfires, and it helps serve this area because we're out in a rural community, and it also goes wherever else needed. It could go over to Central Oregon or California to help with the wildfires down there. So then, if we continue on to the middle bay here, this is our structural fire engine. This is the one we predominantly staff, and it has 3 people on it. So I sit in the right seat there. I'm the company officer, so I'm kind of like the parent of the shift. And then we have the driver who gets the funnest job to make all the sounds, turn on all the lights. And then we have the firefighter in the back that does all the hard work, but good for him. So then finally, we have what's called a water tender. Because in a rural setting, we don't have many fire hydrants like in the city. And so that actually brings water to us. And think, 1 gallon of milk, there's 2,500 gallons of milk basically in that thing. And if we don't have that, we have straws on both this water tender and our fire engine that we could suck water straight out of a river or out of a pond if we have to. All right, one other thing I forgot to cover, a couple things actually, is that this fire engine here is also staffed with medical equipment. All 3 of us on duty today are cross-trained as paramedics, and so when you have an emergency and you call 911, we're going to show up. And typically, since we're out in a country setting, we're going to beat the ambulance so we could start giving medical aid sooner. This also goes on car wrecks and various other emergencies as necessary. So it's super important, if you need our help, you got to know your address. Well, I thank you for stopping by and visiting our fire station today. We're super bummed that you guys couldn't come here and be in person for a Halloween. So with that, I'm going to leave you a couple of safety tips. When you're out and about, if you decide to go trick-or-treating, make sure you have a parent with you and you look both ways when you cross the street. And if it's dark, put on some brightly colored clothes or have a glow stick around your neck so people could see you. And secondly, make sure you have fire safety. If you're going to put a candle in your pumpkin, make sure that pumpkin's not going to catch fire, and make sure that pumpkin's not near your house. All right, thanks for stopping by, and you guys have a great day.